You are going to learn how to write a Java program to calculate area of a circle using the given radius. So first I am going to create a text file and give it a name, and I am going to save the our program in the D drive JDK folder. In JDK the bin folder. In my system the JDK folder is stored in the D drive. In JDK there is a folder. In JDK folder there is another folder called bin, and I am going to store our program in the bin folder. First of all, I am creating a new text document, and I am going to give it a name, area circle dot java. Okay, so I have created a text document and rename the document as area circle dot java. Next I am going to open the text document and write the program. Okay, so here we are going to learn how to write a simple Java program to calculate the area of the circle given the radius. Okay, and in this program we will ask the user to enter the radius of the circle, and then we will calculate the area of the circle using the formula pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle, which is given as input by the user, and pi is a Greek letter representing a constant value and approximately equal to 3.14159, and the value of this pi is the ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter. So area of a circle is pi r square, and this is our program. I have already written the program. I will explain the program for you. And first we have created a class area circle, and inside the circle we have written the program. After the class there is a main function which is the entry point of our program. Then we declare two variables, radius and area. Okay, and the radius is of type integer and the area is of type double, and the value of the radius is entered by the user, and the value of the area, that is we are going to calculate. Here, as I said before, we will be asking the user to enter the radius. Okay, so in order to read the user input, we will be using the scanner class. Okay, so this is the name of the scanner class, that is scanner. Then we have created a object of the scanner class. It is sc is equal to new scanner, and this is our input stream, so that now we can take the input from the user. Okay, so in order to use the scanner class, we need to import the util package. That is why we have imported the util package at the beginning of our program. So now we will ask the user to input the radius value. After, we write our message as system.out.println. In double inverted quotes we will write enter the radius of the circle. That is the message given to the user. After seeing this message, the user is going to input the radius value. So read that input using scanner class object, that is sc.nextInt, that will read a value of type integer, and it will store it in the variable radius that we have declared earlier at the beginning of our program. Next thing that we are going to do is calculate the area of our circle we can specifying the value of the pi. We have two options. We can either specify the value of pi directly, that is we can use the value 3.14, or we can use the math class and get the value of pi, that is using the static constant value defined in the math class. Here we are going for the second method. We are using the math class and import the value here. So when we write math.py, that is the class name, dot py, we will get the value of pi. This statement, this math.py will return the value of the pi, and if that value is twice multiplied by the radius, we will get the area, that is pi r square. We calculate the area of the circle and store it in the variable area. Okay. And now we are going to give the output message to the user with the calculated area. So we are using system.out.println. In the double inverted quotes, the message to the user, that is area of the circle, and then we will append the value of the area after the message, that is plus area. That area is the variable that we use to store the calculated value of the area of the circle. Okay, this is how you can write a simple Java program to calculate the area of the circle. Now we will save the program. Okay, next is how we can run the program. For that we have to take the command prompt. Hope you have already know how to take the command prompt. Here our command prompt is in the same folder. In order to change that, I will change the folder to D. In D, I change the drive to D, and in the drive D, I have to take the I have to change the folder to JDK folder. In JDK folder, I have saved my program in the bin folder. So now I am in the bin folder in the JDK bin. I came to the bin folder. Now I can run the program. To run the program, we are using Java-C, that is our Java compiler. Now first we have to compile our program and then run our program. We are running our program using Java compiler, that is Java-C program name.java. This is how we will compile our program. Java-C, our program name is equal to area circle, and the A is capital, area circle.java. We are running our program, we are compiling our program, and if there is any error in the compilation, it will be stated here. Since there is no error, we can run the program. The format for running the program is Java program name. So we get the message for the user to enter the radius of the circle. Okay, I'm entering the radius as 10, and we got the output, that is area of the circle is 314.159. Okay, this is how we can write a simple Java program to calculate the area of a circle.